Sit me down. Sit me down.
I'm asking you.
Sit me down.
Stay on.
Sit me down. Hey, hey, quit playing with me. Hey, quit playing with me. Hey, quit playing with me, bro.
Back up.
I'm home to come up on the floor. They finna y'all up. Watch this.
On August 3rd, 2024, at a Shell gas station near Lake Zurich, Illinois, deputies from the Lake County Sheriff's Office were called to check on a man who appeared intoxicated and unresponsive near the pumps. When deputies approached him, the suspect woke up and became aggressive, allegedly threatening to unalive a deputy. During the confrontation, the suspect resisted arrest and put a deputy in a chokehold, forcing the officers to struggle to control the situation.
Hey, you're all good, man? Hey, my man. You're all good? You want us to get you an ambulance? Hey, my man. You're all good? They're calling about you. Why don't we start EMS? He's breathing, just not responsive to what I'm trying to say to him. And I have a 27 named DOB for you. Hey, my man. What's going on? You're all good? It's not in my face, it's in my foot.
Nah, I'm good.
You're all good? Where do you stay at, man? Because you can't stay here. They're calling about you.
Who's calling around me?
People passing by. You just had a little too much to drink?
Probably, yeah.
Probably. All right.
I'll leave, though. I'll leave.
You know, I know you'll live. You're talking to me now.
Leave.
You'll leave?
Yeah.
Well, can we help you out, man? Did an Uber just drop you off over here? Or how you get here?
I'll just leave. I don't want to go to the county. I ain't gonna lie to you.
No, we're not trying to take you to county.
But that's what they do.
Who's they?
Whoever get called.
No, man.
I woke up with orange on, yeah. I'm a video nigga. I don't know nothing about that. I don't do nothing.
No, I hear you.
His info, like his name and stuff?
Yeah, I ran it over.
What was that shit?
It's whole. I got a whole portfolio.
Yeah. All right, man. Obviously, that if you keep laying here, people are gonna keep calling. I'm not saying you're doing anything wrong, but you're definitely not doing something normal.
I'm going back to Maywood.
Oh, that's where you stay in Maywood?
Hell yeah, I stay in Maywood.
All right, man. Just hang tight. Don't go nowhere.
Well, you saying good? It's not.
You said you bought it out.
No, I killed mama. Yeah,
Okay.
I mama.
Why would you do that?
You gotta get your funeral rub with. Yeah. Like y'all don't understand what's going on around this bitch, bro. But y'all gonna get in tune. Yeah.
No, I don't think that.
Alright, well, stay how you is then. And we gonna see how.
What's going on, man?
I don't know. You tell me.
That's what I'm trying to figure out, bro.
What's up, the police?
Somebody called because they were concerned.
I'm straight.
Well, it doesn't seem like
If I really, if I really wanted to go, I f it up.
Well, I don't want you to do
Right
that.
now, if I really wanted to f it up, I f it up.
I don't want you to do that either. I really don't.
Who's stopping me? Is this stopping me? Is these niggas stopping me? What the f this security guard gonna do, bro?
He's not a security guard, he's a police officer.
I'm gonna f what he is. He gonna die. Huh? You think I'm playing or something?
Here's the thing, you keep
What,
talking
you think
like
I'm
that.
playing or
Here's the
something?
thing, Dan. You keep talking like that, and you are going to take your ride to the hospital because now you're making homicidal statements.
I'm sorry. I ain't my hide or nothing. Things just go down the home.
So what's it going to be? We're going to give you a ride, or you're going to go to the hospital for homicidal statements?
Pick it.
Huh?
You pick it.
You want me to pick it for you?
Yeah. Since she's just a mother nurse, you pick. You go pick your death, man. Go ahead.
Let's get you in the back. Let's get you in the back of the ambulance.
Pick it.
Let's get you in the back of the ambulance. Come on. Let's call the ambulance.
Pick it.
I picked the ambulance. Let's go to the ambulance. Let's go to the ambulance. What change?
Seems like it. He wants.
Hop on in. Have a seat. Have a seat.
What?
Come on in and have a seat.
Do I have a...
I'm asking you.
What do I have a...
I'm asking you to go in and have a seat.
And I'm asking... Tell me what's up. I just told you no. Yeah, I just told you no. I just told you no.
You just agreed to go there.
And I just told you no,
said it was
fuck
up to me.
Stop talking.
You said it was up to me.
Stop talking to me.
You said it was up to me.
Stop talking to me. And now I just told you stop talking to me.
push it.
And now I just told you stop talking to me.
Wants to go in.
What's up?
Yes, sir.
I just told you what happened, right?
Want you to go in?
I just told you what happened, right?
Please stop stepping up to me. Okay, I'm going to take that as a
I just told you, I take it as straight. I want you to take it as straight.
Don't do it.
Stop talking to me like I'm a fucking looking.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
No ass is a goof.
Don't do it.
I don't get no what you talking about. You're a goof. You're a goof. I ain't having shit. I don't have shit. You don't know what the I am? I'm Dayon, nigga. I ain't having shit, nigga. What you talking about?
Go back.
Hey,
Right now.
hey, bag up.
Come on.
Bag
No,
up.
come
Deon,
on.
Get your
just go
way-
to, you go to
that
the
way.
ambulance.
I'm very
Get
patient
that way.
with
That's
you.
I ain't on
Deon.
And we're making the decision like you told
I
us.
ain't gotta be patient with you.
Get in the
Period,
back.
point blank. Come on. All you gotta do is swing.
Nobody's swinging it.
I know, cause we gonna get this bitch clapping. I'm gonna swing that bitch up. Guarantee I ain't gotta ask nothing. Sit me down. Sit me down.
I'm asking you.
Sit me down.
Deon.
Sit me down. Hey,
Alright.
hey, bitch, quit playing with me. Hey, quit playing with me. Hey, quit playing with me, bro.
Back up.
I'm homie to come up
30,
on the
45.
phone. They finna all up. Watch this.
Here, Martina, roll him under this.
34 needs your preference.
We're fighting him.
I couldn't help you.
Bro, what the f?
We're fighting the male
We're
trafficker.
fighting the matter.
I was just fighting shit. I said, y'all just talk. Like, what the f?
Turn around, man.
71, I'm shipping you.
Bro, I'm finna turn around.
Turn around.
I'm trying to.
Turn around.
I can't.
We're gonna turn this
I
way.
can't.
To your right. Yep. To my left. To my left.
Towards you.
Yep. To my left. Watch my leg. My left leg.
Walk like this.
43, we disregard on 414.
Hey, bring your hand up. Bring your hand out. Well, you gotta be like that, man.
32 in custody.
Just push him out so I can get off.
1041 in custody.
Hey, hey, hey. I can't, bro.
Hey, relax.
I ain't do shit.
Oh. Now you're going to jail. I like my car.
I didn't do shit. Damn.
Yeah, don't square up on my officers, man.
Alright, someone.
Do me a favor.
Yes.
Hold him or throw gloves on and search him.
Here, I don't have gloves on me right now.
I'm not. What?
Well, you're going to jail now. You're going to county. Come on, there. Come grab him.
I'm not doing nothing, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm not
I don't.
doing
Shut
nothing.
up. Shut up.
No, you shut up.
You're going to county jail.
And you saying that for what? Y'all finna have to lay them gloves, yeah, you gotta lead them. Goofy.
5470 witness return. 5470 Temple.
The suspect was taken into custody without further incident. No life-threatening injuries were reported, and the case has been forwarded through the court system. All charges are allegations, and the individual is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This incident highlights how quickly routine calls can escalate and the risks officers face during everyday encounters. If you found this breakdown informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real police body camera footage and incident summaries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.